Hey guys, welcome back to Kotlin series. In today's video, I'm going to explain you about the if-else block. So if is when condition is true, else if it is not true. So let's understand this by the code. So first of all, I'm creating a separate class for demo this if-else. And we'll create a main function. And now I am declaring a variable. You can declare any variable. So this is if it is Sunday, so this is like a Boolean variable. So we'll understand if else from the Boolean variable first. So if this is it Sunday is true, then it will print this block. So it will go inside this block and print this value. Today is Sunday. If it is Sunday is false, then it will print today is not Sunday. So it should go inside the else block. So this is how if else works. So if first block is true, first condition is true, then it go inside and execute the code. If condition is not true, then it go in the else block and execute the particular block. Let's run and see. So you can see now today is Sunday because condition is true right now. Let me make it false and run it. So this time it should print today is not Sunday. There you go. So this is how if else block work. So this is the another way. We don't need to write equal to true. So we can directly check it if it is true. So you can see it execute the if block. Today is Sunday because it is true. So we don't need to always write equal to true or equal to false. Another example for it, I am declaring two variable. So here we can check if condition. If x is greater than y, then print this value, else print this value. So if x is greater than, then print this x is greater than y. If this condition is false, then print x is not greater than y. So now it should go inside the else block because x is not greater than, correct? So let's run and see. So it went to else block. Now there is another way we can check if else if, right? So we can add multiple condition in the same block. So let me add it. So if x is less than y, that means this is true. So we can print this block. So x is smaller than, and the else block, when all the conditions are false, then it will go to the else block. So we can print anything inside it. So this time it should print x is smaller than y, because first it will check the first block which is false, then it will check the second block which is true, then it will print the second block. Let's run and see. X is smaller than y. There is one more way to write the if block in Kotlin. So let me show you that as well. So we can write this if else block in just one line. That is the beauty of Kotlin. So val number, even number equal to 16, and I am declaring a variable result. If even number, that means 16 is modulus by 2, that means it should print even, else it should print odd. Equal to 0. Now we'll print the result and see. It should print even. Let's run and see. So it's even now. So in single line, we can execute the if else condition. Now let me change it to 17. Now you see mode. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.